Hello, welcome back. This is Patrick Brando Group. We are always in this work in progress of opening a Italian restaurant pizzeria. At the moment we are in the final stage. We finished what is the pizza corner in this side. So we have a bespoke pizza oven, okay? And this is the pizza counter. So they're gonna work the pizza here and make nice pizzas here. Obviously we have a pass through the kitchen, and it is with drawers for cutlery and anything related with the process of serving the food. The facade, as you can see, is part of the design, and it is always with the same marble as the bar counter. It has these nice brick tiles in the front and this marble quartz. So let's go in the back. Okay, in the back here we have this nice bespoke pizza oven, and obviously it is related with the design. So I'm gonna make my pizza, bomb, and place it inside. This is the pizza corner. Remember, this is a design signed by Brando Group. Follow me on the next step.